Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best pool brushes on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Blue Torrent Brush. The Blue Torrent model is a 360-degree cleaning tool with a 12-inch head. The biggest selling factor of this brush is that it cleans seemingly unreachable corners with unbelievable ease. With this, you can clean tight spaces such as steps and wall corners. However, it doesn't come with a telescopic pole. This has to be bought separately. Also, the pool brush isn't the most durable or sturdy on the market. So, you have to handle it with care. Meanwhile, it can accept any standard telescopic pole. And with it, you can scrub anywhere within your pool facility. Not so sturdy or durable. Number 2. Our second best pick is the Wall Whale Classic Swimming Pool Brush. A large pool brush that is very popular with algae is the best choice for those looking for a solid tool capable of treating stubborn growth. If you have already fought algae that came back constantly on this, not have this scrubbing brush for the swimming pool in your workshop at the time. The Wall Whale brush is specially designed to fight against algae and works especially well combined with the on-pool walls, with 10 times more force, which makes it super effective. You can even use only one hand for cleaning as long as you brush your pool once a week with this brush. Pros: great for tough algae. Usable with one hand. Promises 10x force. Attached to all poles. Easy to use and sturdy. Cons: too long tail and a soft brush. Number 3. Our third best pick is Milliard Pool Algae Brush. Like the Wall Whale model, the Milliard Pool Algae Brush is yet another pool brush for defeating algae. However, this can also double as a concrete floor scrubber thanks to its hardwire bristles, which are made it a great option for combating tough stains. Besides, it is one of the best brushes for gunite pools. The aluminum handle has a handle of 45 degrees for ergonomic and effective cleaning experience. For easy and strong sweep on stubborn surfaces, the brush's head is 10 inches wide. It can attach easily to standard poles. However, it is not suitable for vinyl liners due to its materials. This is by far the best pool brush for algae. Pros: easy to use. Durable and sturdy. Great grime fighter on hard surfaces. Ergonomic design. Comes at a fair price. Cons: not for vinyl liners. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is HydroTools by Swimline Aluminum Pool Floor and Amp Wall Brush. Don't ever let the price of the aluminum pool brush fool you. Despite being incredibly cheap, the Swimline Aluminum Pool Floor and Amp Wall Brush is a hard brush for cleaning the wall side of your pool. It has a very curved design and construction of reinforced aluminum with nylon bristles. Bristles don't easily fall off. However, note that the product doesn't feature a telescopic pole. You'll need to purchase this separately. Pros: unbelievably cheap. Stiff brush. Bristles stay put for long. Durable. Fits standard poles. Cons: not recommended for cleaning the pool bottom. No pole included. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is US Pool Supply Professional Wall and Amp Floor Pool Brush. Would you like to keep your swimming pool facility free of calcium build, algae, and other pool debris on the tiles, plaster, or other surfaces? The professional wall and floor pool brush offers a very wide, hard plastic frame, and nylon bristles make it suitable for pool floors, walls, corners, and steps. This is not only the best pool brush for plaster. While its durability has come under question, it's reassuring to know the seller. You can simply inform them if you get disappointed within a year, and they'll offer you a replacement or refund. Pros: compatible with all standard poles. Long pole and wide head. Suitable for plaster cleaning. Sturdy aluminum construction. Cons: not a lasting brush. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.